Talk about cutting it close there, mate. This parking garage is so tiny.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we are exploring San Francisco with my best friend Jess.
I am your tour guide,
as always. And Dylan, who's over there chilling. But we are starting in
Ghirardelli Square.
Let's do it.
This is the more child-friendly area, I would say, because of the chocolate, obviously.
Children do love chocolate.
Yeah, but so do adults.
We just can't eat as much as they can. Oh yeah.
Alcatraz.
Ah yes, we are going there soon.
Alcatraz, Alcatraz. I shouldn't be so excited to visit a prison,
But I am.
Walking around the square was super beautiful. This place was a chocolate factory up until the 1960s, when it was then bought and turned into retail shops. There's a lot of cute places to eat, grab a coffee, and do some shopping. Also a lot of opportunity for beautiful pictures. We continued on down to the waterfront and witnessed some people swimming, but that's a bit too cold for us. We kept walking down past more restaurants and shops. There was a lot going on. Though we were originally on our way to the pier, where we will take a boat to Alcatraz Island, we took a small detour and went to check out our second site. This antique coin-operated arcade has been here since 2004 and it has 300 mechanical games and amusement devices inside. This place was also featured in the 2011 movie The Princess Diaries. You could spend hours checking out and playing every game in here depending on how much it interests you. Or you can come in with a few dollars worth of change and pick whatever games look the coolest.
The first ever.
Oh my god!
Wow. That's so cool.
Oh my god.
Love things.
I know.
Is this how people like figured out if they like each other?
Before apps, you know how we have the apps that like tells you your compatibility?
There's so many of them.
Clammy black. All right, Jess. You're heading on the throne of love.
Is this sanitary?
Sanitary as you want. All right.
Can I just push the button?
I guess so. Sorry. What's she gonna be?
I don't know.
What's she gonna be? Sexy baby.
Like the Taylor Swift song. We all wish we were a sexy baby. Did you know San Francisco is home of sourdough bread?
Whoa. That's crazy.
After the arcade, we continued on towards the pier. We passed multiple street performances, street and clothing vendors, people with those ball in a cup scam setups. It was a fun walk to say the least. We paid $55 each for our Alcatraz ticket, and that included the boat over there. That was such a big experience to dive into, so I'm saving that for next week's vlog, but definitely make sure you check it out if you come all the way to San Francisco. There is so much wild history to learn about there, it is well worth it. After we got back, we went to check out Pier 39. It's a popular spot with waterfront restaurants, shops, attractions, sea lions, and great views. We walked around there for quite a while and stopped into some of the shops to see what they had to offer. You could definitely spend a few hours here.
Wow.
This is Jess's dream store because she's left-handed. It's the can openers for me. Look at you. Just go ahead, cut out a shape. Cut out a shape. How does it feel? Look at how good you're gonna be at it. Wow.
Oh, this is so good.
Why is it so tilted? I love how they have so many things that like are both like pens, but they're like, let's just be extra. That's, I feel like that would just be confusing.
Well, at this point, yeah.
Yeah. Is it? What? Wow, I really thought you were gonna eat it.
They know what they were doing when they did this one.
entirety of the pier, we started the journey back to where we parked our car. We might need to get in some transportation, but we are not done yet. Next, we are off to see the Golden Gate Bridge. Unfortunately, you can't plan for weather, and you may come on a day where the bridge is covered in clouds, even if it's sunny out that day, but honestly, I think it made for some really cool shots. Once you drive across it, there is a place to pull over and park and take pictures. We decided not to park in the chaos and just drive back over it though.
Oh my god. Did you see what he did?
Literally made it so much harder for this guy.
This is a very popular spot to take pictures though, so keep in mind it might be difficult to find parking, but it is a great spot to take in the views. As an added bonus attraction, we have Lombard Street. You can get there either by car or by hopping on this $8 trolley. We didn't drive down it because it is a very intimidating street, but it is very cool to look at and see others attempt it as well. Just parked on the shoulder for a few minutes so I could get in a shot, but we couldn't really stay there long, so back in the car we went. All of these are possible to see in a few hours, so if you only have one day in San Francisco, make sure you make the most of it, and I will catch y'all on the next one.